Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I bring you incisive market analysis for what the coming week holds for us in the markets. I'm super excited to join with you, and of course, we had good reason to smile from the analysis for last week. We saw gold hitting and surpassing our targets. We were looking at the 200, 260 pip move, and we got far more than that. The whole gold has done about 1,000, just I think about 1,000 pips here, over 1,000 pips this past week. We had that move to the upside, and we had just a rain of pips, such a huge bearish move. And because I look at price action on a daily basis, I also took advantage of that sell. And we also had spot on price action with the Aussie yen pair and the Euro pound pair. We anticipated the reversal, but we didn't get it too early. But all I just did was trade the movement to the upside for the Euro GBP pair. And this week we're looking at what the markets have to offer us for this week of January the 11th to the 15th. If you're new to my channel, I'll like you to click the subscribe button and the bell notification just beside it. That way you'll be notified as soon as I bring out new content. And I believe these videos have been beneficial to you. I'd like you to smash the like button, and feel free to share. Feel free to share. I also like you to leave a comment if you want me to look at some other pairs. Like I just added the Euro GBP pair to this analysis for this last week. And if you want me to look at some other currency pairs like the cryptocurrencies and some others you are um, much interested in, I would gladly oblige you. With that said, let's just go straight to the business of the day. Here on my chart, let's go to the weekly quickly so that sorry, let's look at the pound dollar pair, and I like doing a top down analysis. So we just look at what the markets most likely would offer us for this new week. Now, from what we can see here, we've had also a bearish week for the pound dollar pair. If you are quite aware, we saw a gap up on an hourly time frame for the pound dollar pair. So we had some bit of move to the upside before we had this bearish move. And for this pair, I've been looking out for prices coming in to as low as the 1.3386 area, but we've not quite gotten there. We price is most likely on its way there. But for now, what we can see markets do is prices getting to 1.3492, which is this key level here. We're expecting price to get here. If we have a break and close below that, then we'll look forward to seeing that will be for a new week. We're looking at a weekly time frame, but we could see price go to the next key level of support if we get a break and close below this support zone here at the 1.3495 area. Let's look at daily. On the daily time frame, all right, we'll see we got that break and close above this. Market shot up a little bit to the upside, and we've been consolidating and in fact putting in lower lows and lower highs down into this area. Yeah, this also coincides with the midpoint of the Bollinger Band, so I expect price to react around here, this first key level of support at the 1.3495 area. Only if we have a break and close below that, then we're looking forward to coming to as low as the 1.3386 or 3390 area price. That's the next key level of support. Next I'm looking at is the euro pound pair. That's our latest in our analysis. And let's do a top-down analysis from looking at the weekly quickly. And on the weekly time frame, what do we have here? We have somewhat a bullish week for this pair. We've gotten something that looks to the upside. So, what do I expect this based on price action? I can see here. What do I expect this pair to do? I'm expecting price to come in to the broken resistance that we turn to support at the 0.8985 area for us to get a move to the upside. That's what the weekly is telling us. Let's look at daily and see how precise that would look like. Yeah, we already have that move coming down into that zone. So I expect reaction of price around here. If you see price has tested once, twice, three, four, five times, quite a number of times, and has been rejected from there. So I'm expecting price to also get that rejection around here, make it move into this zone, and see a rejection from there. If we see spot reversal candles, f- what you can do is to trade back to this most recent highs here, just the highs around here. That's at the 0.9075 area, around this area. We just look at price getting around here. If based on daily price action, I will be looking at if we have more reasons to see go bullish or look forward to the next key level. It's of resistance, which is at the 0.91 handle. So, but for now, what I'm looking at is having that move to this zone and having a reversal for us to go to the upside for now. And nothing is set in stone in forex. So Monday's price action will be the deciding factor, or how far this move would be when we get this reaction here. If we don't have a reaction here, we have a break and close below that. Our next key level of support is at the 0.89 handle. 0.89 handle here. So what we have here, um, if we have a break and close below this, we'll be looking forward to getting to this level. But certain we should have this reversal around here based on um, past history of this level with price. The next I'll look at is the Aussie yen pair. Yeah, for this pair, we were quite spot on. We're looking forward to getting seeing price go to the upside. We just had put in a little retracement and go to the upside, and which we just did. Price just retraced just around the 78.95 area, and we continue to the upside and had that rally to the upside, and we've closed bullish. Now, based on price action, what do I see markets do? We're looking forward to seeing price to see price come back into the 79.95 handle, that area. Uh, we've closed quite bullish, and based on uh, the price action, although we're still bullish here, all I'm looking forward to seeing is a pullback for us to go higher. Although yes, we are quite overbought with RSI. RSI is really overbought. Uh, it's at the 80 area already. So although we don't have divergence yet, that will be one good way to see to trade a reversal. We don't have divergence yet. I'm looking at the 4 hour 4 hour time frame now. Also, we don't quite we've not quite gotten that yet. So, but I'll be looking forward to seeing a retracement back into this zone for us to go to the upside, to continue in the upside, and our next key level of resistance at the 81.20 area. Yeah, 81.20 area. Price got close to that 81 handle, but we didn't quite get there. So we're going to see that retracement back into the zone. Although we have a zone here at the 80.50 area, which will get clear um, before coming lower. But based on price action, I expect this to really come in this deep for us to go to the upside, which is at the 81.20 area. The next I'll be looking at is gold. And for gold, wow, gold is most likely my, I can call it my trade of the week. And for this for gold, what do we expect for this new week? Let's look at the weekly so we can get a top-down analysis for this new week. Now, with what we can see here, I'm expecting gold to come into the 1860 area as a pullback into the 1860 area, which is the most recent support that was broken and closed below. And it will most likely act as a resistance for us to go to the downside. And going to the downside, our first key level here is at the 1800 handle, and the next key level I'll be looking for to see price get to is the 1765 area. We could even go below that, but that's I'm just looking at price getting to. So we just see this retracement to the 1860 area. Use your best strategies to trade this, but I'll be bearish on gold after I see this move here. If I don't have that reversal around here and price goes continues to the upside, look forward to the next key level of resistance at the 1882 area. Uh, that will be the next key level of resistance. But by way of a pullback, I want to see this move to the 1860 or 1861 handle and a continuation to the downside. Already we've put in a very bearish candle for the week. Let's look at the daily time frame if we can get right. Friday's candle was very bearish, very bearish. So we're looking forward to seeing a continuation in bearishness to the next key level. Just a pull back into the 1860 area and a move down to 1800 handle. A break and close below that will take us into the 1765 area. The next I'll look at is the dollar Canadian dollar pair. And for this pair, let's look at the weekly. We had a gap down and we saw price uh, make a new low for the week. We had a new low and we also closed below that. Now, based on the price action, I'll be looking forward to seeing price come back to this broken support that will turn into resistance at the 1.2765 area. We'll get that first. If we have a break and close below, I'm sorry, above that, we'll look forward to coming up as high as the 1.2850 area. If we have a break and close above this, which is at the 1.2765 area, we look forward to get to as high as the 1.2850 area. But for now, I'm looking forward to getting a pullback to the upside. A pullback, if we have reversals around here, we'll continue look forward to go to the downside. But our RSI is seriously was sold and has put in a divergence around here. So look forward to that pullback, and you can trade the pullback pending when you see any reversals. Or you can do that on the daily time frame also, which will be strong key level for you to work with. Yeah, with the daily I'm looking at now, we might have a continuation to the downside first, and before we look at that pullback. But Uh, if we don't have that, if we don't have this brush move to the downside immediately, uh, we would look forward to just getting that pullback. But from what the price action here is saying on the daily, we might have a new low for Monday. So for what I'm putting out here, Monday's price action will decide how to follow this analysis. If we have to adapt to it ourselves to what the market will do, of course, your best bet with the market is to react to it, not to just be predictive and stick to your predictions. Uh, so we're looking for that um, price action on Monday to see how to adapt to the pullback or a continuation to the downside. The next I'll look at is the dollar yen pair. The dollar yen pair was also put in uh, some bullishness, and I think we might still have more bullishness with the dollar yen pair. Let's look at the weekly time frame quickly. Yeah, we have strong bullish candle, just like the opposite of what we saw in gold. Of course, they are inversely correlated. So, with what we have here, I would like to see a slight retracement and a continuation to the upside. Yeah, for this pair, we'll be looking forward to seeing this pullback, and we've gotten it. We've been bearish in the dollar yen pair for a while, and we've had this huge candle to the upside. So what I'll be expecting is slight retracement of this candle uh, down to the 103.70 area or 75 area. I will continue to the upside, go as high as the next key level of resistance here at the 104.50 handle at this key level here. So that's my next target for price, the USD JPY pair. And the last I'll look at is euro dollar pair. And for this pair, we've had an inverted hammer based on the price action for the week. I have an inverted hammer. Now, for this pair, what we look for to see next week. Let me take off this. Not needed for now. All right, let's look at what the price most likely to do for this pair. We'll most likely look forward to seeing a retracement of price into the 1.2100 handle, 1.2120 area, and a continuation to the upside. If we have a break and close below that, I think we'll come to as low as the 1.20 handle, which is the next key level of support. Well, first of all, we have uh, this area to clear here at the 1.2125 area, that 1.2125 area, first of all, before coming to the downside. So we look forward to seeing to selling, yeah, uh, into the 1.2125 area, which most likely will act as support. If we have a break and close below that, then we'll be going into as low as the 1.20 handle. And on the whole, I think I'll be looking forward to bearish moves on the euro dollar pair. And with that said, that will be that for this week. Also remember that the views I've put out here are my opinion of what the market is going to do. Only putting it out as a piece of information, as an educational tool to help your trading. It's not meant to be an investment advice. And like I've said, click if you found useful content here, click the like button. Please don't forget to do that. It shows support for my channel, and feel free to share it. If you're new to this video, click the subscribe button and the bell notification just beside it, and let's see in the next video. Bye for now.